Heart-stopping video of a man facing certain death from a robber's gun. The gunman pulled the trigger not once, not twice, but 3 times. And each time it misfired. And ABC's Bazi Kanani has more on this incredible story, all caught on tape.
This is the heart-stopping moment when Eric Gilbert says he was almost executed, all captured on his home surveillance video. Watch again as an apparent gunman approaches Gilbert just as he's pulling into the driveway of his Antioch, California home on Friday. Before Gilbert can even get out of the car, he says he sees a gun in his face.
I was absolutely horrified. I couldn't believe it was happening to me. I thought I was going to die.
Gilbert gives the gunman his wallet, hoping he'll go away.
I gave him the wallet. That wasn't good enough for him, so he actually cocked the gun and he pulled the trigger. Made a clicking noise.
Still, the alleged criminal doesn't stop. Gilbert says he is forced to his second car, parked in front of his house, in a search for more valuables.
He actually shoved me. At that point, I was thinking to myself, my daughters are inside. There's no way he was going inside that house.
You can even see Gilbert flinch as the robber forces him to walk to the front door to open it.
The gun actually misfired. That's the reason why I flinched. I thought I was going to get shot right then and there.
But Gilbert says he made a quick decision.
If I was going to get shot, I want to try to fall inside and close the door behind me and lock the door. My main thing was just protecting my kids.
The robber appears to give up and flees as Gilbert calls 911. Police are now investigating, hoping what these surveillance cameras captured on tape will now help them capture a would-be killer. For Good Morning America, Bazi Kanani, ABC News, New York.